Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing assignments of MSc Environmental Science from Ignou. So these are first semester assignments like MEV-11 Fundamentals of Environmental Science and Ecology, MEV-12 012 Earth Processes, MEV-13 Environmental Chemistry. So you can see that it is compulsory to submit the assignments within the stipulated time to be eligible for appearing the term and examination. The assignments constitute the continuous component of the evaluation process and have 30% weightage in the final grading. Before you write the assignments, first go through the course material and then prepare the assignments carefully by following the instructions pertaining to assignments. Your responses should not be a verbatim reproduction of the textual materials provided for self-learning purposes, but it should be in your own words. So anyways, these are some program coordinators है और उनकी वेबसाइट है, वेबसाइट कह सकते हैं या फिर पता नहीं ईमेल आईडी वगैरह व्हाटएवर. तो इससे क्या होता है सारा कुछ guidelines for TMS क्या है. I'm sharing those questions. I don't know whether question change or not. ये actually 22 से 24 तक के सेशन के लिए है. I mean 24 जुलाई तक के सेशन के लिए है. I've already given that assignments in my first year. So now give definition, principles and scope of environmental science है. आप इसका pause लेकर के you can even write down the questions and you can also prepare your own notes. So that's it for today. Actually, let me read some questions. You have to do 5 questions. Each question is consist of 20 marks. So assignment whole number is of 100 marks and the weightage in the overall subject is 30% and 70% of examination marks. Okay, so let me read some. These are MEV 12 and okay, this is MEV 11. Actually it is written wrong here. As you can see, this is 11. Okay, so ये तो बहुत easy है. Whenever you open the book you will just see the answer. I hope if I am able to apply, like I don't know, I have books in PDFs, so I will try to read out these books. First question, give definition, principles and the scope of environmental science. Second, describe various environmental issues at global, regional and local levels. Third, define ecology and describe various environmental factors with suitable examples. Question 4, write short notes on any two of the followings: ecological succession, population growth, measure biomes, carrying capacity. And fifth, explain the structure and function of ecosystem with suitable examples. Sixth, explain the need, purpose and approaches to restoration ecology. Seventh, write short notes on any two of the followings: A, environmental management standards, B, foundations and scope of environmental economics, C, sustainable solutions to environmental problems. Eighth, give definition, concept and milestones for education for environment and sustainable development. Then this again, earth processes, आपका MEV-012 है. And these questions are also important for your June के जो एग्ज़ाम्स होंगे 2025 में, because I don't think they really change the questions. एक दो क्वेश्चन चेंज हो सकते हैं, but in exams the person who is going to give exams first year MSc, so these are important for them. Okay, now again Okay, this is important. Describe withering and its types with suitable examples. Second है, explain the distribution of water in the earth's crust and the hydrological cycle. Question 3 है, write short notes on the following. A, formation of continents and ocean basins. B, sedimentary rocks. 4 है, explain the term hazards and disaster. Describe the types of hazard with describe the type of hazards with examples. Describe the types of hazards with examples. Fifth, describe the various types man-made hazards and their impacts on humans. You won't believe these all questions came in the exam. I'm going to share last year exam question paper with all of you. So be familiar with the questions and try to improve your writing skills, because these are very like who had studied disaster management in 9th 10th 11th and 9th 10th, okay, like environmental science, so EVS. So these are very basic questions actually. Write short notes on the following. Earthquakes, see. B है Earth's radiation balance. 7th है give a detailed account on the physical, chemical and biological aspects of sea water. Okay, now MEV-13 है 013 है environmental chemistry. Okay, now explain. Question 1 है explain modern methods of separation and electrical methods of analysis with suitable examples. Differentiate between the following. accuracy and precision में फिजिक्स में आप लोगों ने पढ़ाई होगा 11th में. determinate and indeterminate errors. What are the applications of chromatography technique in environmental monitoring? Explain the following with suitable examples. Chemical equilibrium and dynamic equilibrium. Aromatic hydrocarbons as environmental pollutants. Biochemical effects of arsenic and mercury. So arsenic and mercury both are very dangerous elements. Mechanism of adsorption, surface chemistry पढ़ी होगी. Give a note on scintillation process and working mechanism of scintillation counter. Then explain the reasons for the following. HF stored in copper bottles and not glass bottles. Sodium hypochlorite used as a disinfectant. Graphite acts as a lubricant. Lead components are added to gasoline, and why was it removed with the advent of catalytic converters? TEL was banned as a gasoline additive. TEL. Explain basic instrumentation for IR, infrared spectrometry, and its environmental applications. So, and the question number 8 is what is global warming? See, how is it different from greenhouse effect? What are the environmental outcome of global warming? Describe the mechanism of ozone formation in the lower troposphere. Okay, I have the solutions of these 3 assignment as well, but copyright का थोड़ा डर लग रहा है. I would like to share those notes, but I don't know. Maybe I have already shared these notes in my previous video. So that's it for today. Please go with these questions for the preparation of your exams. Okay, that's it for today. Bye bye.